care and attention.
Hi, we're gonna do the baby food challenge.
How could
First,
let this little dog
first
suffer
we
so
have.
long?
First we're doing ham, apples, pineapple, and rice. That is this big can one. A big can. Ready? You got the right one. See this? You have the right here. See this? Gotta close it. Focus it.
Emergency surgery was her only choice.
Okay, ready? Ready, set, ready,
Team is concerned.
ready, set, go.
And courageous. Can to save
Water.
like I
You guys chose all the women. For the mothers out there, do not feed your child this. Don't feed your child this. No. Do not feed your child this ever. More napkins, please. Okay,
for
next.
just $18 a month. Only
Next, we're trying apples, mangoes. Wait, we gotta eat sweet potatoes first.
animal hygiene who's only known of
Let's just try this. Apples, mango, and kiwi. So, here we go. That is this.
with your
Right.
mother's support.
Oh, sorry. Let's try this again. Alright, it's good. It's not that bad. Wait,
You tried it already?
yeah, by accident. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There are many more pictures out there that will go
Not that bad.
and unrescued.
You guys chose all the good flavors.
Humans
No, this one's disgusting. Where is it? This one.
deserve better.
Okay. I don't like it. It's nasty. It's not that bad.
This one kind of tastes like applesauce.
Visit us
Yeah.
online
There
at
was an applesauce flavor.
joinaspca.org or call this number. We will send you
Next we're trying sweet potatoes.
do it in the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
This one's gonna be
You ready?
nasty.
Get a hand. Me. You should.
No, it was that.
Okay, and you need a big handful. You're not gonna chicken out
Remember
and get a
to
small one.
always report
I'm doing
animal
1,
cruelty
2,
if you see
3.
it. But right now,
Potato.
Nasty.
I'm scared.
we'll take care of it.
It's nasty.
It's nasty.
And you can use your credit card or credit card. Another animal
Get water.
or neglected. Take just 1 minute of the
Next, we're trying. Where's the pears? Pears.
I can tell you there's
Wait,
no
so we gotta go
down the line.
Pears. I said parrots. We are not trying parrots. We're trying
because I know
pears.
animals.
Alright, you go first and me then you.
Where's our pears?
Don't get a lot either.
Our pears is not in here.
Okay, maybe you can get a lot.
Or go online.
Because there's only 3 of us. Okay. The bottom.
Today you tried it.
You guys are hosting.
It's nasty.
Ready, set, go.
It's not good.
Not that bad. I like this one. Give me it. I like this one.
Give me my pears.
No, I don't like it.
How can you just eat it like that?
No.
Give me some more.
No.
No, it's not yours.
I like these.
No, give me
No, I like it.
See?
Stop.
Since Saturday,
They're all nasty.
Bye guys.